So starting this problem once again. Now see here we have this. Now as I told you, you have to take this a plus b plus c factor common, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So we will try to look for it where we can get a plus b plus c. So what you do here is, what you see that if I add 2b to this and if I add 2c to this, then will I get a plus b plus c?
Yes, sir.
I will get. Similarly, if you add this and this to this, will you get a plus b plus c?
A plus B plus C. Yes, sir.
Similarly, if you add
Yes, sir.
this, sum of this and this to the first row, will you get a plus b
A
plus c?
plus 2B, 2A plus 2B plus. Yes, sir. We
You
will
will
get
get. So
A,
what you do here is, we are getting a plus b plus
A
c.
plus B
So
plus
what
C.
we'll do is we'll add the sum of second and the third row to the first row. Plus 2b plus 2c. 2a plus b minus c, b minus c, b minus c minus a plus 2c. And you have 2a plus 2b plus c minus a minus b. Okay. And these two remain as it is. 2b, b minus c minus a, and 2b, 2c, 2c, c minus a minus b. These two remain as they are. So we'll write our step subtracting or adding
Headings.
the sum of second and third rows,
Second and third column.
not column, rows,
Second, third row. Yes, sir.
to the first row.
Third row.
Okay. So what are we going to get? We're going to get a plus b plus c. Here also you're going to get a plus b plus c. Here also you're going to get a plus b plus c. Okay. And these two will remain as they are. 2b, b minus c minus a,
2B, B minus C minus A. 2B,
c
2C,
minus a
2C.
minus.
Then 2 minus A minus B.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
now we can take a plus b plus c out of the first row. One, 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 2b. Now we have got 1, 1, 1. So this becomes finished. The sum is
Yes.
done. We subtract the first column from the second column and the first column from the third column. So you will write your reason taking a plus b plus c common from the first row. A plus b plus c we have taken common. Okay. And what we'll do is first column will remain as it is because we are subtracting the first column from the second column. So 1 minus 1 0. This will become b minus c minus a.
Sir, in the second column, 2C will be there.
Second column, yes, I think so. It's 2c.
Third row. Yes,
Uh,
sir.
yes, both are 2c. Both are 2c.
Okay, sir.
And you will get 2c minus 2c, which is again 0. You get 0. Let me write, if I'm writing 2c minus 2c, let me write 1 minus 1. What is the harm? 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. Next is 2b minus 2b. Okay. And this is c minus a minus b minus 2c. And close the bracket. A plus B plus C. Then you get 1, 2B, 2C. You get a 0 here. Now, what will remain here? B minus C minus 2B will give you minus A minus B minus C, right? And you get a 0. Here also you get a 0. Here also you get a 0, right? And what you will get here?
Yes.
Again, you will get minus A minus B minus C, right?
Mm,
Now you have the option. Either
Yes.
you can expand by this row or you can expand by this column also. Okay. Let us expand by the first row, this row. This is the plus position.
Okay.
So A plus
Sir, it
B
will be
plus
plus
C. Yes, plus position.
plus B
And
plus C.
minus A
Then
minus B minus C.
minus A minus B
0,
minus C 0.
0, minus A
0
minus
minus
B
A
minus C.
minus B minus C. Yes, sir. Then it will be
And you'll give your reason expanding by
yes, sir. We will get only
the first row.
A minus B minus C whole square.
Yes. And here also you'll give your reason. Subtracting the first column from the second and third column respectively.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you get A plus B plus C into this minus A minus B minus C into minus A minus B minus C minus 0. This one 0 into 0. Okay. So now A plus B plus C into minus A plus B plus C into minus A plus B plus C. So this will give you A plus B plus C whole cube. Done?
Yes, sir.
So what I mean to say here is whenever you get this kind of a problem, all these kind of problem, this kind, this one, or say this one also, okay, you will always look at the right hand side. See that in this problem, I just told you that before starting the problem, I told you you have to take A plus B plus C out, isn't it? Because I see on the right hand side, I have A plus B plus
Yes,
C
sir.
as a factor. See here, I have X minus Y, Y minus Z, Z minus X I had. So what came into my mind? That I have to take X minus Y common and Y minus Z common as the factor, isn't it? At least one or two factors I can take out.
Yes.
That was in my head. So that is something that you will have to remember. You have to see what you have to prove. You will always have to keep an
Can you
eye
explain
on.
once more?
Yes.
Sir, can you explain once more this what you are telling?
What I am trying to tell you is that see, if you have, you always have to keep an eye whenever you have to prove determinant is equal to something. You need to keep an eye on what you need to prove. For example, look at 19. In 19, I had how many factors? 4 factors. That means what came in my mind was that x minus y, if I can take out of the determinant, y minus x, z is if I can take out of the determinant, I will definitely get my other factors, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that is what you have to keep in mind. I saw here a plus b plus c whole cube was there. Okay. That means I had to take a plus b plus c factor out of the determinant. That is why I was trying to write here. I was trying to get a plus b plus c as in either one in the same row or the same column. You understood what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
See, in this column, in here you have b minus c, c minus a, minus b. So whenever you see what should play in your mind, it should come that I have to take b minus c out of the determinant. Okay, although you have a 1 1
Okay,
1,
sir.
this will automatically work, but still you must always have this in your mind that uh, since I have a b minus c or this three factors, I have to take out one of the factors out of the determinant. Okay, or if you see a 0 here on the on the right hand side, if you need to prove that this determinant is equal to 0, this means that if you can show that any two rows are identical or any two columns are identical or any particular row consists of all zeros, then you can say determinant is 0. Okay, so these should come into your mind when
Okay,
you see
sir.
the right hand side. Okay, So let us do the next one.
Yes, sir.
So let me erase this. The next one that we are going to do here would be, should I do 22? Should I give you a hint for 22? I'll give you a hint for 22 and you can do it on your own.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. 22. Let's write down the determinant. Minus 2a, a plus b, a plus c. I have b plus a, minus 2b, b plus c. And you have c plus a, c plus b, and you have minus 2c. Okay. Now see, here again you have to keep an eye on the right hand side. You have how many factors? 3 factors. A plus b, b plus c, c plus a. And you also have a 4. That means if you can take out 4 and an a plus b, at least 2 factors if you can take out. There are 4 factors. So at least 2 factors if you can take out, then your task becomes easy. That is what you have to remember. Okay. So how can I take out a plus b factor from this? That is what you have to see. Okay. How can I take out? Can you tell me how can I take out from this?
Okay, sir.
23 1. Let delta is equal to x plus a, b, c. A, x plus b, c. And you have a, b, x plus c. Okay. Now, as I told you, you have to prove this is equal to x square into a plus x plus a plus b plus c. You see that x plus a plus b is a factor, right? And how can I get this factor in the determinant? See, if I add this to this, and if I add this to this, then I will get x plus a plus b plus c.
X plus A plus B plus C. Yes, sir.
So I add, get a plus x plus b plus c. I get a plus b plus x plus c. And these 2 columns remain as they are. Okay. So my step here is adding the sum of second and third columns to the first column. Okay. So you're getting what? X plus a plus b plus c. X plus a plus b plus c. Get x plus a plus b plus c. You get b.
Sir,
X
we
plus
will take common now.
b c c x plus c. Yes. That was the idea, right?
X
That was
plus
the
A
idea.
plus B plus C.
That was the idea, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Because why did I add the second and the third column to the first column? Because I wanted x plus a plus b plus c in the first
Yes,
column.
sir. Because it is there in the question right hand side.
Yes. That is why once we have got x plus a plus b plus c on the in the first column, then now I can take common. Okay. So the step here is taking x plus a plus b plus c common from the first column. So now you have got 1 1 1. Now you can do.
Yes, sir.
Should I leave or should I complete?
Sir, we will complete it.
Okay. Then you complete it. What will you do? What will you do here? First row you subtract from the second,
Sir,
and
then
first row
we
you
will
subtract
subtract.
from the third.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Then we will get EVGS. Yes, sir.
Then you'll get 0 0, and then you expand. Okay. So we'll do the next
Yes,
one
sir.
then. Similar 23 2 is also a very similar problem. Okay. X plus p
Okay, sir.
plus q. You take x plus p plus q, then you take x plus p plus q out. 23 3 is also a similar problem.
Okay, sir.
What you do here is you add x plus a plus a, x plus a plus a, or a plus x plus a, and you have a plus x, right? And then these
Yes,
two
sir.
remain as they are. What have I done? Adding the sum of second and third columns to the
Yes, sir.
first column. Now you can take x plus 2a
Yes, sir.
common. You're getting x plus 2a out. Okay, so this also you can do. This is same as this. Now number
Okay, sir.
4 is a little different. Okay, so number 4 I'll work out.
Okay, sir.
So number 4 I'll work out. 23 4. Let delta is equal to 1 plus a1, a2 and a3. Next is your a1, a2, a3, and then you have a1, a2, and 1 plus a3. Now if you see in the right hand side, what do you have on the right hand side?
Sir, one is missing in
Oh,
the.
this is also
Yes, sir.
same. 23 4 is also same.
Yes, sir.
23 4 is not different. 23 4 is also same. Okay, so I'll drop this. In fact, what are you saying? One is missing.
Sir, A1 is there.
Huh. So what do
Sir,
you
in
do
the
here?
second column, third
Is the same
column.
thing. Adding the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
this one. This is what you do. Adding the sum of the second and third column to the first column. Okay. Now see here. This should be 1 plus a2. Yeah. This is given as 1 plus a2. A1 1 plus a2 plus a3, and a1 plus a2 plus 1 plus a3, and then you can take this out. These two remain as they are, right? And then
Yes,
you
sir.
can take 1 plus a1 plus a2 out. You'll get 1 1 1, and then you'll proceed. Okay, so this is also the same. I thought this is a different type. So let's see if I get that type later, then I will show you.
Okay, sir.
So 23 4, all these 4 are the same types. So let's take 24 1. This is the IC problem. We start, let delta is equal to, now only 6 minutes I have left. Okay, so if the meeting ends, okay, you will come back. I want to finish this. Okay, I don't want to
Okay, sir.
keep this hanging for the next week also. I will start matrices next week. A minus b,
Okay, sir.
b minus c, c minus a. You have b plus c, you have c plus a, you have a plus b, and you have, oh, you have abc on top. Okay, this you have abc on top. A, B, C. Okay. So this determinant you have. You have to prove that this is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus thrice ABC.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So how will you prove this? You remember this formula A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to thrice ABC. Do you remember this formula? A cube plus B cube
Yes, sir.
plus C cube minus thrice ABC was equal to what? A plus B plus C,
Yes, sir. Whole cube.
A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C.
Yes, sir.
That means if you see A plus B plus C is a factor here, isn't it? So if I can take out A plus B plus C from this determinant, then I'll be able to prove. So what I do here is I see a here. So what I do is I add the second column, sum of the second and third columns to the first column. So I get A plus B plus C. Okay. Here I will get A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A. And here what will I get? B plus C plus C plus A plus A plus B. And you get B minus C, C plus A, C minus A plus B. Okay. So now see what we get. We get A plus B plus C here. Okay. You get a 0 here. A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A is 0.
Yes, sir.
And you get twice A plus B plus C. Okay. And these two remain as they are. Okay. Now you can take what? You can give your reason here, adding the sum of second and third column to the first column. Now what? You can take A plus B plus C out. From the first column, what do you get? 1, 0, 2. And these remain as they are. B, B minus C, C plus A, C, C minus A plus B. Okay. Taking A plus B plus C common from the first column. Okay. Now what? How to bring another 0? I've already got a 0 here. If I multiply this by 2 and if I subtract with this, will I get a 0?
Yes, sir.
That means if I'm
Yes,
multiplying
sir.
this by 2, that means I have to multiply this entire row by 2, isn't it? So I multiply it in my
Yes.
mind. I multiply it in my mind into 2 into 2. Okay. So what do I get here? This column remains as it is because I'm multiplying only in my mind. So I get 2 minus 2. I get C plus A minus 2B. And I get A plus B minus 2C. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
What is the step here? Subtracting 2 times the first row from the third. Okay. So you get what? A plus B plus C. 1, B, C, 0, B minus C, C minus A. This becomes 0. C plus A minus 2B. And A plus B minus 2C.
Minus 2C.
Now I can expand by the first column.
Yes, sir. It will be minus
This is a plus
b,
position.
b minus c. Yes, sir.
So b minus c,
C
c
minus
minus
a,
a
c plus a
plus a
minus
minus
2b,
2b, and
a
you get a
plus
plus
b
b
minus
minus
c.
2c. Okay. Now this will get disconnected. Okay. So you come back if it gets disconnected.
Okay, sir.